Morning everyone and welcome to the chaotic eastern terminal of San Salvador. It's another round of chicken bus lottery today. The rules for chicken bus lottery: the first person that offers to take me on their bus wins. I'm going to go wherever they're going and spend 24 hours there. Now San Salvador is right in the middle of El Salvador, which means I can go anywhere. No matter where I end up in this country, the distance isn't going to be too great. Almost got run over before we started. Alright then, this man wants to talk to me. Hola amigo.
Good morning, brother.
Good morning.
¿A dónde va?
Wherever. Where are you going?
No mucho inglés.
¿Dónde vas tú?
San Miguel.
San Miguel.
Ajá.
Ok, voy contigo.
Ok, casilla número 15.
Número 15?
Número 15.
Vale.
Espérame ahí.
Okay. It looks like we're going to San Miguel.
Hola de San Miguel.
Estoy esperando otro. Gracias. San Miguel is of course named after the famous beer. No, it's not really. San Miguel is the third largest city in El Salvador, so there should be stuff to do there. I've heard it's very hot. It's already 30 degrees here at 10 in the morning. And it's going to be even hotter down there. Hola, ¿esta empanada de qué es?
Esta
No, esta empanada.
es de piña, ¿verdad?
De piña, ok.
De fresa.
¿De fresa? Ok, ¿y cuándo sale esto?
50.
50, vale. Dame una foto. ¿Cuánto me dijo? ¿Cuánto?
350.
Muchas gracias. ¿Y el boleto? ¿Cómo compro el boleto?
Yo voy a cobrar después.
Ok, perfecto.
Ok, toma asiento, brother.
Well, it's seen better days, this bus, but I've got it all for myself at the moment. So I don't know what time the bus is leaving. I don't know how long it takes to get to San Miguel. I think it takes about 3 or 4 hours. Although in this bus it could take a bit longer than that. And it's going to be 34 degrees when we get there. So it's $4 guys. Hopefully we don't have to wait until the bus is full, because it's only me and matey in front of us here on the bus so far. So I'm going to have to stop talking anyway, because it's going to be copyrighted with all the music in the background. The good news is that the aircon works. The bad news is it's a 3 or 4 hour journey and there's no bathroom. Piña y papaya, por favor.
Piña y papaya.
¿Cuánto es?
$1.
$1. Aquí tienes. Gracias.
Sandía, papaya. Carne con tortilla, carne.
Right, it's time to give this a try. Strawberry pasty. I'm not sure about this. we have arrived. First impressions for the third biggest city in the country, and this is supposedly the centre of the city. It doesn't feel like much of a city. There's a main square and a cathedral down this way, so let's head down there, get our bearings, get something to eat because it's lunchtime already, and then we'll get booked in somewhere to stay for the night. So I was talking to someone just now on the bus who's from San Miguel, and I asked him what there is to do here, and he said, well, best football team in El Salvador, called Águila, are from San Miguel, and they're actually playing in a CONCACAF Champions League match this evening at home. Unfortunately, as luck would have it, home has been moved to San Salvador, so they're playing a team from Honduras tonight at 6 o'clock, but in San Salvador, despite being a team from San Miguel. His first recommendation on places to see was the beach, and I said I didn't think it was a coastal city. He said it's not. The beach is an hour away on the bus. So when I said what's there actually to do in the city itself, he said, well, there's the cathedral and main square, and that's about all he said. So we'll go and check those out now. Well, if all else fails, we can always eat at Wendy's. Nice little bandstand. I wonder if there'll be some live music later on. It'd be nice. Ah, pretty impressive cathedral actually. I put the city letters there just in case you forgot what city you're in. Yeah, nice. Well, it wasn't a bad meal for $9, 2 pieces of chicken, chow mein and rice, and a lemonade, and I mean a proper lemonade, not this Fanta and 7-Up rubbish. It's time to find a hotel. I found one on the map called Hotel Monte Carlo. Sounds glamorous, but what's attracting me to it is that I read that it's got rooms for $15. Wow, DVDs, pirated DVDs. It's been years since I saw them. And here we are, we're about 6 blocks away from the cathedral, Hotel Monte Carlo. I feel like James Bond. Buenas tardes, hola. Without aircon $10, with aircon $15. 3-hour rate $6. There you go, number 19. Here she is. Oh, that's not that bad. Not too bad at all. And so look at the bathroom. Yeah, that'll do. Bit of a smudged up here. It was $15. I went for the one with air conditioning because what the hell is that? This is like one of those sex things, isn't it? But a man sort of sits there and a woman sits astride. No, well, I definitely won't be sitting on that. That's for sure. Suspicious looking stain there as well. This is a motel, isn't it? This is one of those motel places. Look at the aircon unit. Look at that. Wow. That's from like Victorian times. Wipe clean. Oh God. How many people have come in here and had sex? I don't think about it.
Don't think about it.
So just outside my room is the smoking area. Very glamorous. You can just see James Bond in that classic pose, smoking a fag, shaken not stirred. Well guys, I've been looking online for stuff to do, and it seems there's quite a lot to do here in San Miguel, just not in the city itself. All around San Miguel we've got beaches, lakes, a massive volcano over there, San Miguel volcano, but none of them are accessible unless you've got a car. So within the city itself, we can go and take another look at this cathedral. There's a theatre nearby, and after that it might just have to be the pub. It's like being in New York with these taxis. And there's the city hall.
Querido amigo, que esto, que lo otro, que el gobierno, que las personas, que todo, hay tantas enfermedades, tantas cosas que están sucediendo, querido amigo, aquí en la tierra.
London bar. I wonder if that's open. Doesn't look like it. Damn it. That's a shame. Not having much luck, guys. Somehow I've just ended up in the red light area. Let's get out of here. I just wanted a normal pub or bar without prostitutes. Is that too much to ask? Well folks, just as I was having my coffee, the heavens opened up and there's no pub to go to. I think I'm going to go back to the hotel, relax for a couple of hours and come back out when this deluge has stopped. Packet of crisps. Living the dream. Literally got back here, cracked open up the ear, and it stopped raining. About 15-20 minutes of torrential, and then it's just stopped. Very dark streets out here, folks. I'm gonna go head to the main square and find some pupusas. The streets are almost deserted. This is absolutely bustling during the day. Feels a little bit sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. Got myself a quesadilla, guys, for $1.75. Let's see what's inside it. Beef. And beef. Alright. Actually really tasty. A little bit salty, but tasty. Good morning, guys. Well, surprisingly, I actually slept quite well in here last night. I slept with all my clothes on because, yeah, I didn't want too much bare skin making contact with the sheets. Today is 31st of October, it's Halloween, and it's time to get out of this hotel of horrors. Let's go. Well, the bus station is just over the street there, across from the hotel, like directly across, but I think it's better get some breakfast before we go. Yeah, I know it's lame having Wendy's. I know, lame as heck.
La American Bride, este jueves 31 de octubre.
Right, here we are, the bus terminal. Where's the one for San Salvador? This is where I find out there isn't another bus for about 6 hours. We're on this yellow bus. Looks like we're just about to go. Oh wait, how the hell do I get around here? ¿Puedo entrar? Quiero subir este. Gracias. Gracias. Hola. Gracias. ¿Aquí pago? Sí. ¿Cuánto es? Sí. Air conditioning. Bathroom. It's another Pablo Escobar, Plato o Plomo.
¿Habla español?
Sí.
Yes.
Ah, pues sí, porque yo no hablo inglés. ¿A quién de ellas dos usted le da su voto?
Esa.
A esa, la policía. Ah, a esa.
La policía, sí.
La policía dice. Ah, que yo traduzco ahí lo que él dice.
Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this random trip on the chicken bus. I'm off to a decent hotel now to get a shower. I still feel dirty after that hotel. In fact, just thinking about it is making me itch. Thanks for watching, see you next time.